In this video, we'll explore auto tasks, a powerful feature for executing automation through custom buttons across various entity views in different apps. Auto tasks are most commonly used for request management, triggered by buttons that you add to the request view for agents to use. Auto tasks operate similarly to workflows, but they are triggered by a button and they don't have stages, tasks, or approvals. And they can't be suspended. When triggered, an auto task progresses through a simple sequence of starting, executing, and ending. They can include multiple nodes, allowing for the execution of multiple actions from a single custom button. To configure auto tasks, you'll use the Auto Task Designer accessible via the Admin Console in Service Manager. Once there, you can view and manage the list of auto tasks. Let's see some examples. For instance, there's one auto task that locks a request when configured as a custom button. And here's an auto task that, when initiated by an agent selecting a button, locks a request. Creating a new auto task is similar to creating a common workflow, but keep in mind the distinctions mentioned earlier in the video. Now, let's see how to use them with custom buttons. In the incident page, you can notice some custom buttons at the top of the page along with a cog icon to configure them. Selecting the cog icon allows you to create and edit custom buttons. To create a new custom button, select Add New. You can assign a name or an icon to it. For a cleaner user interface, it's recommended to use an icon and add the name as a tooltip for clarity. Let's create a custom button using the Auto Task Raise Major Incident. In the Action drop-down, you have three options. Open URL, to get redirected to a web page. Pop-up, to use only when the URL you are using is embeddable. Or Auto Task. Select Auto Task and then choose the desired auto task. You can rearrange the order of these buttons via drag and drop. Before testing, let's create another button to de-escalate the major incident. This time adding some rules. We want this button to appear only when the incident's priority is major. Once set up, the button is saved and will appear in the button menu. Testing the buttons, you'll notice that only the first button we created, Raise Major Incident, is visible. After selecting it, observe the timeline to see each node of the auto task being applied. For example, the incident's priority is now set to major. A service level agreement is in place, and an update is posted in the Major Incidents workspace. Additionally, the De-escalate Major Incident button appears after the rule regarding the incident's priority being major is applied. Selecting this button de-escalates the incident's priority, amends the service level agreement, and sends an email to notify involved parties as it is specified in the auto task. This demonstrates how auto tasks streamline processes with just the click of a button.